Monday Night Football. Boy, it feels good to say that. Frank Frangie along with Jeff Lageman and the Hall of Famer, Tony Baselli. Tony, has been a long time since his team's played on a Monday night, and it's a red-hot Jaguars football team.
Well, it kind of takes you back to Friday Night Lights, but the lights of Monday Night Football are so much brighter with the entire nation watching, and more importantly, the entire league. Players, coaches, staff all watch Monday Night Football, and this is where you want to show off and show out. And Tony, when you add in the stakes, this is a big night in Duval.
It's a huge night. The fans are here. The place is packed. It's rocking. And first place in the conference is on the line. And Jeff, you're the better team, but what you can't afford is a letdown. Don't let the emotions get best of you. Just come and play your game.
What a scene tonight, a light show, a packed house. Boy, it is festive in this thing. There's a buzz, been a buzz around town all day long. Sold out, standing room only tickets, that kind of night here on the First Coast. They have gone for it 11 times and made it 5 out of 11 on the year for Cincinnati on fourth down. He drops the throw against a four-man rush. Dropping lots of times. Jags going to get there, though. They're going to get there. They're going to sack him. The ball's going to go over on downs. Great work by that Jaguar defense. Josh Allen got there, and the Jags take over in great field position, their own 49-yard line.
Let's go. Come on.
They go right to left to the Jags, and they start at their own 49-yard line. Trevor Lawrence threw for 364 yards last week in that showdown against C.J. Stroud. He's been very good of late. 12 touchdowns, 7 interceptions on the year. Trevor looks, fires left side, wide open is Kirsten. He's got it in Bengals territory. He fell down when he made the catch, ran a corner route, and fell down around the 25-yard line. Is down there and now is down on the ground. Oh boy, let's check on Christian Kirk, who's still down.
And that is very concerning because he immediately grabs it.
We go from the 25. Tim Jones enters the game in his place, by the way. They run a reverse to Calvin Ridley. 30-yard line, 25, inside the 25, inside the 20, along the far sideline. Calvin Ridley on the reverse, got it all the way to the 15-yard line. That's a 10-yard gain and a first down. First and goal from the 4-yard line for Jacksonville. No score in the game, 6:57 in the first. They run an option to the right. They pitch it to Travis Etienne. Etienne in the end zone, touchdown. Travis Etienne scores in Jacksonville. Strikes first.
Hey, that's the beginning. That's the beginning, all right?
Well, Jeff, you talked about Evan Ingram, the block he made on the Ridley reverse. Again, one of the more unselfish guys. Doesn't worry about no touchdowns. Doesn't matter what he's asked to do. He's leading it on a little option play to Etienne. Trevor pitches it early. Evans out there with the key block, and that's about as easy as a walk-in as you can have.
First and goal for the Bengals from the 6 of Jacksonville. Shotgun for Browning. Inside handoff. This is Mixon. Lowers his shoulder. Keeps those legs turning. He's into the end zone for the touchdown. He was hit around the 1-yard line, but he didn't go down. And he lunged into the end zone. It's a 6-yard touchdown for Cincinnati.
The Jaguars have been able to get off to a good start the last couple of weeks, but now it's about turning it up a notch. It's not about the opponent. It's about playing to the standard. Doug Peterson wants to see this team start to play great football in the month of December.
Lawrence, Ridley, spinning catch, back shoulder throw, and a first down for Jacksonville. First down at the 22, quick throw, Ingram looking for blocks. Get it! running blocks, and his first touchdown of the year.
Great job. Great job. Great job.
Welcome back to Touchdown City.
You got that gun. I ain't gonna lie, when you caught it, watch the film, I did like this. I knew you was getting that. I knew you, I see. That boy gone.
That was really set up by the fact that he got two key blocks, one by Zay Jones, but the one that really sprung him was when they put Etienne out there, and then he makes the key block that gets Ingram out on the edge and into the end zone.
He's not a normal tight end. He can flat roll. He gets the corner, sprints up to the Bengals sideline, and then he gets through the end zone and jumps into the stands and celebrates with Duval.
Second and goal from the 2, 1:06 to play in the half. Browning, inside handoff, Mixon right up the middle and into the end zone. What appeared to be an easy 2-yard touchdown run, and the Bengals have scored again with 1:04 to play in the half.
Hey guys, Doug Peterson very calm in the locker room, just kind of simply put it on the players. We just got to play better. Everyone just needs to do their job. Offensively, we got to score. When we have opportunities, we got to take advantage of those opportunities. And then on defense, it's about tightening up the coverage, dictating the turns, getting stops on early downs, and forcing Jake Brown in the pass in obvious passing situations. Nothing magical, just got to execute better.
Shotgun for Jake Browning. They blitz, he drops. Fires deep downfield. That ball is caught along the left sideline. 30, 25, 20, 10, 5. Jamar Chase is into the end zone for a 76-yard touchdown. He beat Tyson Campbell along the left sideline, and Cincinnati has taken the lead.
Look up. So what? So what? Respond to that. Respond to that, O. Respond to that, O. Hey, let's be us. Come on.
Play fake, rolling right, looking, fires. That ball is caught by Zay Jones. That was a bullet from Trevor. He's tackled around the 39-yard line. He beat Logan Wilson, the linebacker. That's a dart, a 23-yard gain, and a first down. Trevor scrambles. Now he fires left side. That ball is going to be caught at the 15-yard line. That's the rookie, Parker Washington. First down at the 15-yard line of Cincinnati. He beat DJ Turner on an 18-yard gain. 3rd and 9 from the 14-yard line. Bunch to the right. Now Washington motions left. 2 receivers that side. Shotgun for Trevor. Washington motions back to the right this time. Dropping, looking.
Right there. I told you. I told you.
Fires to the back of the end zone. Caught for the touchdown. It was tipped by a Cincinnati defender. Washington caught it for the score.
Like that. Big like that. Big like that. That's what we needed, boy. Yeah, we did.
Nearly intercepted by the Cincinnati Bengals. Defensive back had to go through his hands, and somehow Parker Washington's concentration, he makes the catch and gets his feet down inbound.
Wide and right. If the tight end crashed down on me. The same game we just played against the coach. So we got to stop on first down, learn the right to rush. Yeah. Speed the power, beat the quarterback. I got you.
Guys, one of the dilemmas facing Mike Caldwell is how does he want to attack this Bengals offense? I think Mike Caldwell is probably going to lean back into conservatism. You could see the running game become a factor.
Intercepted by Josh Allen.
Hey, we needed that. That was a statement. Come on, man.
I'm trying to worry about catching it.
Trevor dives into the end zone. Touchdown. He lunged. He stuck the ball over the goal line. Touchdown, Jacksonville.
got that. You got that.
Just to kind of go rehash what has happened in the last few minutes, we get lucky that a ball gets tipped on 3rd and long, and Parker Washington catches for a touchdown. Could have been an interception. And then our good friend Zach Taylor, I'm going to call him a friend now, decides to do a double pass and it's backed up in his own territory. We pick and we go score.
Center is Browning. Quarterback sneak by Browning. And he did not get there, I don't think. Let's see where they mark it. Zach Taylor had the red flag in his hand. And now they call it a touchdown. It was a sneak by Browning. The far side judge came in and at the end finally called it a touchdown. And it looks like it was. The replay we're seeing took forever to get it, but it's called a touchdown.
Pressure on this offense. You know, there's not been a lot of big defensive stops in this game for the Jaguars team. So offensively, you're tied up, 4th quarter. You got to go score points here.
3-man front. They only send 3. Pump fake. Trevor fell to the ground. Trevor fell to the ground and is grabbing.
Trevor is not happy with Walker Washington.
Oh, he's hurt too, guys.
Trevor
it's a nod.
I hope fell to the ground. Ball came out. Trevor hurt his leg. He's thrown the helmet off now.
Yep, and this is.
Oh my goodness.
This is what I'm afraid of. Oh, he gets stepped on.
He got stepped on by his own player, I think.
Yeah, Walker Little in his pass set steps on Trevor's ankle.
That's why the ball fell out. That's why he fell to the ground.
Now
and it's his right ankle.
The ball came. Trevor's on the ground hurt. Trevor Lawrence was helped to the sideline. Walker Little inadvertently stepped on the back of his foot. Trevor went straight down. The ball came out. They fell on top of it. So it's 4th down. Trevor was helped to the sideline by a number of folks. He threw his helmet down in frustration. He knew, or certainly believed, he had hurt that leg in some capacity. So now on a field goal attempt. Right now, though, on 4th down, Brandon McManus, who's 23 of 26 on the year, will attempt a 48-yard field goal from the left hash to give the Jags the lead. The clock is turning. We're nearing the 5-minute mark. Brandon McManus from 48 yards in the left hash kicks it up. The 48-yard field goal is no good. Play fake. Browning rolls. He wants to run it. He's going to have 1st down yardage and more. All kind of room. 40, 35. Out of bounds at the 31. He reversed his field. And they are in field goal range already. 4 minutes to play as he steps out of bounds. So C.J. Beathard will come into the game for the Jaguars. Trevor was helped to the locker room.
Yeah, guys, so look, the energy down here has been a little up and down, but there's a lot of confidence in C.J. Beathard. Spent time with Mike McCoy getting ready before he ran on the field. Remember, he's played a bunch of games in this league. It's about finding some confidence in the rhythm. Only need a field goal, don't need a touchdown.
3rd down and a yard. It's only a yard, but you got to convert here. Jags only 4 and 11 on 3rd down. They're going to throw it here. go middle of the field, caught by Evan Ingram. Evan made a man miss. He's going to have a first down out past the 45 to the 48-yard line. 1:23 to play, the clock turns. Dax Hill made the tackle for the Bengals, a 6-yard gain.
And you got one timeout in your pocket.
You got plenty of time.
Touchdown gives you the lead. Field goal can tie it. Dropping his Becker. Goes it to Travis Etienne, the left flat. Travis 40, 35, 30, along the left sideline. Travis out of bounds, near the 20-yard line. Terrific job. Now they're going to say he stepped out of bounds, more like the 26-yard line. But that is a first down and stops the clock with 1:04 to go. In field goal range already.
Brandon McManus, there's a lot of kickers at this distance you would worry about. Okay, but Brandon McManus is a veteran guy. He's been in pressure situations before, and he's about as dependable as a kicker as there is.
He's 23 of 27 on the year. This is a 40-yarder from the left hash out of the hold of Logan Cook to tie the ball game. 30 seconds to play. Logan puts it down. McManus kicks it up. And the 40-yard field goal is good, and we are tied with 26 seconds to play in the ball game on a Monday night, 31-31.
During that possession, the defense hasn't scored their own yard safety on a touchdown. If after 10 minutes, score is tied, the game is a tie. 2 timeouts for each team. We'll play fourth-quarter timing rules. No coaches challenges. Everything is upstairs. Same play, heads and the tails. Heads and the tails. No choice. Choice is tails. It is heads.
So you heard it from referee Scott Novak. The Jags won the toss. They will take the ball. They score a touchdown on this drive. The game is over. If they score a field goal, the Bengals get one possession to try and tie or take the lead. Scrambles to his right, looking downfield, still looking. Now he fires it deep downfield. He wants Calvin Ridley inside the 5-yard line. Calvin made the catch. He made the catch at the 3-yard line of the Cincinnati Bengals, but there is a flag down in the backfield.
Holding offense number 77. That's a 10-yard penalty. 3rd down.
That's ticky-tack, Jeff. You can't call that. I mean,
Hubbard does a great job of acting it out.
He sold it.
And because of that, the Bengals now have the ball. 5:02 to play near their own 30-yard line. Shotgun for Jake Browner. Play fake this time. Jags blitz. Fires downfield, and that ball is caught. Wow. Chase caught it. He was well covered by Darius Williams, but it's going to be a catch at their own 47-yard line. 3rd down and 10. 3:25 in overtime. Dropping. It's another blitz. Browning fires. Oh, the defensive back slipped a little bit. Tyson Campbell slipped, and Higgins got it all the way to the 42-yard line of Jacksonville. Here we go. The Bengals trying to win the game. The Jags trying desperately to get one more possession in overtime. A 48-yarder from the right hash. Brad Robbins, the rookie punter, will hold it. Evan McPherson will kick it. There's the snap. McPherson kicks it up. The 48-yard field goal is good. The 48-yarder wins it for Cincinnati, and they have come to Jacksonville and beaten the Jaguars.
The biggest of them all is your starting franchise quarterback, Trevor Lawrence, with a right ankle that we're not sure how severe it is. Got to wait and see. So it's a tough night here at the Everbank Stadium.